Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Today I'm going to discuss the custom list. Custom lists are the feature of the Excel in which you can set up your own custom list. For example, you have different zones in your company, and say, you, and you have a particular sequence there. The topmost priority, the high level zone is north zone, for example, and then the next comes the south zone, right? And then is the east zone, and then there is the Middle East as well, and then there is the West zone, right? So, and you want to sequence it like this. So you want this to be sequenced in this manner, right? So that you uh, you don't have to remember and you don't have to tell this again and again to the computer. And all you need to do is you write the first zone, for example, north zone, anywhere in the workbook, right? North zone, and uh, and then you just click downwards, and it is going to write in the manner in which you want it. And so, and this is done all over the sheets. Even, for example, if I let's check if I press Control N and open a new workbook and type not shown here, zone, right? And in here, I repeat it, and it is going to be available. It is available in throughout your Excel session, right? So let's close this. So how to achieve this? We can show you. This is we don't save it, right? So how we do this is that we we know that when we open the workbook, this is our workbook, right? In the workbook, we have the code already. It brings the menu and this and that. At the time of opening, we would like to set up this command. This is the command application dot head custom list array, and then you write all the array, all the combinations you want to be added so that wherever you want summary or whatever, so you don't have to worry about the sequence. It will come in this sequence, right? And this can be used throughout your Excel session, right? So when you open this, it is set up in user. It will remain in the memory, and whenever you want this sequence of the code, that is going to be available for you. Okay, so this is a very useful feature, especially when you do the sorting of data. For example, you have a different data here. For example, you uh, let's uh, let's take any data. For example, we go to monthly summary. For example, this is the data that you want to take. Okay, we Control C, right, and we take it into the new sheet. We paste it in here. It's special. Yeah, we, for example, values. Yeah, we have pasted it, and also we paste the uh, formats. Okay, fair enough. So this is our data, for example, and some of these suppliers are, for example, if we put it here anywhere in the list, we say it is not zone, Yeah, you have to write the right spelling. Make sure you don't make the mistake in that one. North zone, okay. And what else? And this is, for example, East zone, and this is, for example, uh, Middle East, right? Okay. And what else? And the rest, all these, for example, are the West zone. Oh, it's just an example, but these are the zones. Now we want to sort this using the custom list, right? Okay. So we go to the sort, we go to the data, we go to the sort, right? In the sort, we have this, for example, we we use that we have the data header, that's right, and we use the zone to be sorted with the option. Hmm? Uh, yeah, these are the options, that's fine. And we need here a custom list level. You know, we want that it should be is sorted in a custom list, right? So that there has to be, just hang on, please. So, uh, yes, we have mentioned here that the by zone we want this to be sorted, and here in the order you are going to mention the custom list, right? In the custom list, you will see the your custom list appearing in here. You select it and click OK. So, and this is going to be sorted in the manner in which you want. So the custom list is very, very useful, and you can use it provided at the you have it in the custom list. So to add it using the VBA, you can add this custom list at the time of opening of the book. Okay, so we don't save it. So this is the example of the custom list we have shown you. In the next video, we are planning to introduce you with some add-in customized toolbox. So I hope you like it and stay tuned to our channel. We look forward to your participation. Thank you very much.